A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video and kind of like an update, but it's really a new video, a new analysis on ACH, the ACH token or Alchemy Pay, whatever you want to call it. Very bullish right now, up 45%, volume up 850%, and then perhaps the alarms should go off a little bit. Right now, I mean, even though I think Alchemy Pay is a great project, have had major developments in the last couple of months, but there's really no big news for a move like this. I mean, they have a new website, but a move like this for a new website, I doubt it. Apart from that, no real big news. Lately, as I said, it's been doing great as a project, but there's really no news supporting this. Apart from that, volume up 850% in that small time period, even though the markets are bullish. I mean, it seems manipulated. I'm just going to be honest, if you count up the volume from sources which I do not 100% trust, it's also quite a lot. So it seems to be manipulated, which we have seen with ACH a lot of times. I mean, you only have to scroll back and you can see quite a lot of spikes. And I believe this is one of those spikes. All right. Obviously, I mean, I could be wrong. That's 100% possible. And I'll tell you how to see when I was wrong. But for now, let's get right into it. The main resistance we touched is like 2.75 cents or between 2.8 and 2.7. Immediately broke down below the 236 and 382 FIB, did not hold them. And even now, I mean, we broke above this major level between 2 cents and 2.2 cents. And we are finding some support here, but I don't think it will last. This candle just opened and we already were quite bearish at the start. So what I expect is that we'll at least drop down to 2 cents. Now, what I expect is that we'll find support there, take a break retest off of 2.25, maybe consolidate for a little bit, but then afterwards drop down to 1.9 and down to 1.7, 1.75. Excuse me, that's very ugly. And then from there, usually what happens after these spikes is that we find support a little bit higher and then continue with the trend. So I actually think that from 1.7 and from 1.75, we can actually continue bullish momentum and an uptrend. I think that's the most likely scenario. It fits well into the trend. It's actually a great buy area for ACH, and it's still, I mean, it's still way more bullish than last week, right? The one thing that could happen that could prove me wrong is, I think we're dropping down to 2 cents. It's actually quite a strong support level between like 2.1 and like 2 cents. It's very strong. It's a strong psychological level. You got the 618 FIB there. It's a strong technical level. So what could happen is that from 2 cents, we are able to break above 2.25 cents again. And then I was wrong, because then we will go up even higher. Then we'll reach up to like 3 cents at least, perhaps even 3.2, 3.3. I think it's possible. I think it's realistic. I want to tell you that. It's just not my most likely scenario because of my my knowledge about how it goes usually with these spikes. I mean, we might spike up from $2, but as long as we don't really close above 2.2, 2.3, I still think we're going to drop down. That's just how it has gone usually. Even though I like Alchemy Pay, I mean, I have to say it. I like the project, I like the token, but this seems, oh, excuse me, wow. So a crash down to $2, bullish moment, and I expect bullish moves from $2. I just don't expect us to continue going up from there. I think this is more likely if you take a look at the history of ACH and the technicals. So for now, that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.